Hi and welcome to this crochet stitch tutorial. I'm Jonna and I'm going to teach you step by step how this crochet stitch is done. If you really love what I'm doing here, please subscribe to my channel, and if you love what I'm doing even more, please subscribe to my newsletters where I got the link below here. And happy crocheting! Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial for the crochet cables that are crossing to the right or in and behind. So for this tutorial I'm going to use the wool spun yarn from Lion brand, which is one of my favorites, and I'm also going to use a crochet hook from Knitter's Pride or Knit Pro called Symphony Rose crochet hooks. So crochet cables can be crossed both to the left and to the right. So the most typical one is crossing to the left because that's the most intuitive way to do it, but crossing to the right is also a very pretty stitch to know, and in some cases you might want your crochet stitches to cross both ways, so you're going to need to know this stitch as well. So for this tutorial I've started with making 10 stitches, and the first 10 stitches I made was foundation single crochet stitches. You can do a chain, and then for the first real row I've done 10 half double crochet stitches. So you're going to need this if you're going to follow the tutorial, so please stop, pause and make your stitches and then jump back in so you can start the tutorial together with me. Welcome back. I really hope you did take the time to stop and make your 10 half double crochet stitches for this row, so you can follow me along. So for this tutorial I'm going to do a crochet cable that is 4 stitches wide. You can do crochet cables in any width you'd like, but one of the most common ones is the 4 stitches wide one, and you can also do it typically in 6 stitches, 8 stitches and so on. So I'll do 4 stitches wide. For the first 3 stitches, it's just the base of the cable. I'm doing half double crochet stitches, three of them, and I'm going to start a cable after that. So for the next 4 stitches is the cable, and I'm going to do a front passed double crochet around the base or post of the stitch. So I'm doing 4 front passed double crochet stitches. If you don't know the front passed or back passed double crochet stitch, please refer to my tutorial on those, because I'll do it slower there. But for the crochet cable I hope you know the front passed or back passed double crochet stitches, and if you don't, please go to the other video and learn it first. So I've done 3 front passed double crochet stitches, and then I'm doing the 4th one. So you can see I've done 3 half double here, and then the 4 front passed double crochet stitches. 3 stitches left, they're going to be half double crochet stitches. You don't necessarily need to do half double crochet stitches as a base. You can do double crochet stitches, but I think half double crochet stitches fits the best as when it comes to the height of the stitch. So I've done the first row for the cable. It's just 4 front passed double crochet stitches, and I'm going to turn, and we're on the wrong side of the crochet cable, and I'm going to do the 3 first stitches as a half double crochet. It's the base, and you can mix it up of course. The next 4 stitches is part of the cable, so this is going to be back passed double crochet stitches in the next 4 stitches. So I'm going to do the stitches behind. So back passed double crochet stitches going behind, So I've made 4 back pass double crochet stitches here for the cable, and then I'll do 3 half double crochet stitches in the last 3 stitches. So I'm going to turn again, and you can see I made the first 2 stitches, first 2 rows for the crochet cables, front post stitches and back post stitches in 4 stitches. So that's pretty easy. And now we're ready for the actual crossing of the cable. So we'll do the 3 half double crochet stitches again, just for the base. And we're ready to do the crossing. So the first 2 stitches is the same as if we cross to the left. So the theory here is that you're going to do the next 4 stitches in opposite directions and not in the same order that they were made. So we're going to do a front post double crochet stitch in the 3rd stitch first, front post double crochet stitch in the 4th, then in the 1st, and then in the 2nd. So we do a front post double crochet stitch in the 3rd one first, and a front post double crochet in the 4th one. So those 2 stitches and the first 2 rows are exactly the same as if you're crossing to the left, but we're going to cross behind and to the right. So if you were going to do a cross to the front, you would go straightly in the front and do the front pass double crochet like this. But that's the wrong way when you're going to cross to the left, to the right I mean. So when you're going to cross behind or to the right, that's wrong. So we're going to go here in this hole. So you can see I do put my hook through this hole, and then you can see I can localize this first stitch, so I go around it, and I'm not going to drag the yarn all the way over here. I'm going to pop it up here. Okay, I'll show you once more because this is the most complex part. So you go behind and through that hole here. You're going to go through this hole and around as usual, and you're going to pop it up here and then pull up a loop. So you crossed, you can see you made the stitch behind. You're going to go the same way through this hole here. You're going to go behind the post of the stitch and then pop up here and do the double crochet stitch. So this is the hardest part. Please don't get frustrated. And it looks like this. And I'll do the half double crochet stitches across. So you can see that the cables are now crossing to the right, and you made the last 2 stitches behind the first 2 ones. So I imagine you might have questions about this. Just pop them in the comment section. I hope I did it slow enough. So we've done the 3 rows. The first one is front pass double crochet stitches for the cable, second one was back pass double crochet stitches for the cable, and then you did a crossing. You did all 4 of them was front pass double crochet stitches, but you did it in opposite orders. So you did one in the 3rd one, one in the 4th one, one in the 1st, and one in the 2nd. And the last 2 ones you did behind the first 2 you made. So last row of a cable, you do 3 half double crochet stitches, just a base. Then you do them in the order or the opposite order that you made them the first time. So you're going to do one of the behind stitches here, or it's easy to say, do the 4 stitches in the order they appear, in the same order they appear to you. So then the stitches that were crossing to the front here, sorry. So I'm doing back post stitches in the 4 stitches for the cable here. Sorry, technical problem, I don't know how to pull through. So I've done the 4 back post double crochet stitches and then do the last 3 half double crochet stitches. And we are done with the cable, and then you're going to repeat it again and again and again, as many as you like. So here's the cables that are crossing to the right. So I hope you understood how they were different from the left ones and how the stitches cross to the back. So repeating the cables again, 1 row with front post double crochet, 1 row with back post double crochet, 1 row with front post double crochet with crossing, and 1 row back post double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks. So refer to both this video and the video for the ones crossing to the left if you want to combine the cables. So happy crocheting!